Hello everyone, welcome to Educate Nexus. In today's lesson, we will learn how to insert page numbers into our Word documents or our reports. Numbering of pages has a lot of benefits, and these are some of them. So to do this, click on the Insert tab and select Page Number. When you do this, a drop-down menu appears with various formats of page numbering ranging from the top numbering to bottom numbering. And when you click on any of these, you get another list to select from. From this list, you can add the format you want to your document. Now, selecting this particular format places your page numberings on top of the pages of your document. But there are various options you can choose from. You can choose the one that can be placed at the bottom of your report, and that's my choice. So that's what you are going to use in this particular video. Our pages have now been numbered beautifully. And one good practice in page numbering is that when numbering your pages, make sure you do it after you are done with your entire document so that everything will be arranged perfectly.